Dok, simula na ma-stroke ko ay hirap na akong umihi. Kada 10 minutes ay naihi ako. Normal naman ang creatinine at kidney ko. Sa pantok po daw ang problema. Now, if you have stroke, you have neurogenic bladder. You call that neurogenic bladder. Ibig sabihin, yung sensory stimulation mo sa pantok ay hindi na medyo nakokontrol ng ating central nervous system, which is the brain, no? So nagkaroon ng division yan, either the parasympathetic or the sympathetic nervous system. Okay, is there any cure to that? It will take a while. It should go for therapy. It should go for neurotransmittal dynamic evaluation, 'di ba? Para makita natin kung ano yung balik. Are there medications for that? Siguro these medications are temporary to alleviate us yung sinasabi nating 'pag hindi pa control ng pag-ihi, no? So, ito kailangan ma-evaluate,